Besides the cows, stray dogs are another constant fixture of India. Omnipresent on streets, lazing in the sun, hurriedly crossing a road, or scavenging for food in a garbage heap, the 35 million stray dogs have largely been tolerated just as another nuisance in a public place. Most Indians tend to ignore them, though every now and then the few compassionate dog lovers do step in to help man's best friend. One place where stray dogs can find ample compassion is Friendicos, one of the earliest animal shelters and hospitals of Delhi. Friendicos began over 40 years ago as a rescue service for distressed stray animals under a flyover in South Delhi. Today, it is one of the largest animal care NGOs in the country with numerous facilities including a lifetime care sanctuary with about 1800 animals.
We've slowly expanded now so that we have a lifetime care sanctuary with about close to 1800 animals, and this is our city shelter that is running over here. And it works like almost like a trauma center because a lot of hit and run injured animals within the city are brought here by our ambulances, by the public. People abandon a great deal of pets and animals over here. So it helps us to be in the heart of the city so we can take good care of the animals right here. Besides this, we also run 8 hospitals in different parts of Delhi and Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, where we concentrate on the sterilization of dogs, the spay-neuter program for street dogs. For us, that's a major program. So along with the rescue and rehabilitation of animals from the street and taking care of abandoned pets, we also do a huge sterilization program of about 55,000 animals annually. We run 3 adoption homes where we take the dogs after they are doing well and they are sort of socialized and trained a bit. We take them to the adoption home and we're doing really good there, and we're doing about 300 adoptions annually.
Just across the street from Friendicos in a park, 2 young women sit playing with the dog in the hazy wintry sun of New Delhi. From a distance, all looks fine, but going closer, one can see that something is very wrong with the dog. Tied on a makeshift leash, the dog is extremely restless and can't seem to be able to stay at a place. Preeti Sharma and her sister Sangeeta are ardent dog lovers living in the crowded locality of Badarpur, about 20 kilometers away. They say that the dog is one of the 35 strays that live in their colony and which have been cared for by the 2 sisters for several years. Preeti says that instead of helping them in the task, most of their neighbors chide them or make fun of their compassion.
डिपेंड करती है मेरे पूरे एरिया में कोई इंसान, जब ठीक है मैं कर रही हूँ, सपोज कोई बच्चा नाली में गिरा पड़ा है, उसको मैंने उठा लिया, मैं उसको लेकर आ गई, अगर जबकि मैं पंडित हूँ तो किसी को क्या प्रॉब्लम है इस बात से? अपना भी सारा काम करते हैं। लोग कहते नहीं लड़की पंडित है, ये लोग तो भंगी है, लोग तो मुझसे ऐसे बोलते हैं लड़की इनकी पागल है, ये भी कहते हैं लोग। देखो कुछ करो मत, बैड कमेंट तो मत दो, अच्छा मत बोलो, अच्छा मत करो, हेल्प भी मत करो। मैं करती हूँ, मुझे कोई बोले तो नहीं, मुझे पूरा एरिया पागल बताता है।
It's not just the Sharma sisters who have faced difficulties while helping and caring for stray dogs. Sahil Kumar, a class 12 student living in South Delhi's Tughlakabad, says that he too has faced many challenges while trying to help the street dogs in his locality.
कॉन्टैक्ट करते थे मैम, किसको ले जाने के चांस बना लो, कहीं बना लो, पर मैम लॉकडाउन की वजह से हमें जा नहीं सका क्योंकि लोग कोरोना वायरस से डर के मारे, फिर मैं भी नहीं गया कि कहाँ जाऊँगा, मैं कैसे जाऊँगा। इस वजह से फिर मैंने आने की कोशिश नहीं करा, और जब मैं आने का मौका मिला मुझे तब आया हूँ मैम।
Though their lives were never really easy on the mean streets of India, stray dogs have been badly impacted by the coronavirus pandemic that has engulfed the globe since the beginning of the year. The lockdown and subsequent reluctance of many people to step out of their homes has meant that the dogs have largely been deprived of food and most have remained untreated for various illnesses in the absence of dog lovers. There have also been several hundred cases of even pet dogs being abandoned as people feared that they could be infected by their pets.
तो बिल्कुल खराब हो गई। पहले तो ये था ना, कम से कम लोगों के घर में लोग वेल ऑफ चल ही रहे थे, लाइक मतलब सबके घर में अच्छा खाना पीना। अब कोरोना हुआ, लॉकडाउन हुआ, तो लोगों के खुद खाने के वांदे हो गए। कुछ लोग रियल में भी गरीब भी हैं कि वो उनके खाने का प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो अपनी बासी सड़ी हुई रोटी भी नहीं फेंकते सड़क पे। तो बेचारों का पानी के बर्तन है, उनको भी नहीं लोग रखने दे रहे कोरोना के बहन से। इवन पहले चौहत्तर पे किसी के बैठ जाते थे, तो लोगों को डाउट है हमारे चौहत्तर पे बैठ जाएंगे तो कोरोना हो जाएगा हमें।
Footfall is very little. People are not going to offices, it's all work from home. So the army of dog feeders who used to be there are missing. So one of the biggest problems we are facing is a lot more dogs are sick because they are not getting fed. Now India is the only country which believes that the street dog or the street animal is a community pet, which is a wonderful concept and quite unique. But it has meant that in COVID-19 there's no one there to feed them.
The dog lovers also say that the government, that was never really particularly caring about stray dogs and their problems, has totally ignored them since the outbreak of the pandemic.
The sterilization program is supposed to be subsidized, if not paid for fully, by the government through the municipal corporations. But we've always found it's a nightmare trying to realize our payments. And they can be as far as 1 year behind in their payments to us.
तो सरकार इनको खाना देने में कोई गाड़ी नहीं आई। इंसानों के लिए खिचड़ी बंटने के लिए ड्रम के ड्रम आते थे, तो इनको भी तो इन बेचारे बच्चों को कोई दुपट्टे नहीं आता। सरकार क्या करती है? कुछ नहीं करती इनके लिए। सरकार ने सब जगह हॉस्पिटल मेडिकल खोला है इंसानों के लिए, कुत्तों के लिए क्यों नहीं खोला? जब मैं सरकारी में किसी बच्चे को लेकर आती हूँ तो एक सिरिंज एक नेडल का इस्तेमाल 10 कुत्तों में कर देते हैं वो। सरकार इनको खाना प्रोवाइड करे तो मैं गली गली, मेरे जैसे कुछ और भी पागल है दुनिया में, हम क्यों गली गली भटकें? सरकार करती कुछ नहीं करती, सरकार रत्ती बंद नहीं करती, इंसानों के लिए करती है। इंसान वोट देता है, कुत्ता क्या वोट देता है?
Even though the number of good Samaritans feeding street dogs has reduced, there are still people who continue to take care of the dogs without being scared of COVID-19. Their compassion is not limited by their purses, as most dog lovers forego their own desires in order to be able to take care of the dogs. Amanda from Friendicos says that the younger generation is going out of their way and helping the stray animals, but the need is so large that the country could do with many more good Samaritans.
Definitely people are much more aware. There's a much more cohesive, I think what is brought it in is social media, so WhatsApp groups, things like that, you know, which they keep connected with to, you know, find out where the dog's being taken or who's taken what. But despite that, there's still a lot of very cruel, you know, cases and dogs who are not sterilized, so therefore breed in the colonies and thrown out. So a lot has been done, but a lot more. It's still a great work in progress.